Nissan just made a move that's ticking off the entire truck community. The 2026 Frontier has changes that should excite you, but instead, they're leaving buyers frustrated and asking one simple question: why didn't Nissan go further? Stick around as we break down exactly what went wrong. Powertrain. Moving to the heart of the truck, the powertrain, Nissan's decision to stay with the same trusty 3.8-liter V6 is stoking further debate. Almost every major mid-size competitor is now focusing on turbocharged engines and hybrid or electric powertrains. The current Frontier's engine, while proven by its reliability and smooth operation, now lags in fuel efficiency and torque compared to its rivals. The Ford Ranger, for instance, comes equipped with a turbocharged 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine and offers a performance-oriented turbo V6. The latest Toyota Tacoma has rolled out a hybrid system for superior power and efficiency, further signaling a shift in the industry. Many buyers and critics are frustrated that Nissan is withholding available powertrain technology from the North American market. The Chinese market Frontier is already available as a plug-in hybrid, a feature many feel would boost the US version's competitiveness. Industry analysts suggest that the move might reflect Nissan's interest in lower maintenance costs and mechanical simplicity, but there are growing concerns that the brand is falling behind the curve, especially among younger buyers seeking innovation under the hood. Exterior updates. The fifth most talked about issue centers on the exterior updates. Nissan is rolling out a handful of design tweaks, notably the introduction of the Dark Armor package and a new exterior paint option. The Dark Armor package introduces blacked-out trim, exclusive badging, and darkened wheel finishes, which combine to create a vehicle with a more commanding and aggressive look. Body color fender flares and a revised front-end attempt to enhance the truck's styling. Buyers can now also select a fresh exterior color for added personalization. Despite these changes, discussion in truck forums and social media platforms reflects disappointment among fans who had hoped for a more transformative mid-cycle facelift. With the 2022 launch of the current generation, enthusiasts saw the 2026 update as a turning point for more significant redesigns, especially given that competitors like the Toyota Tacoma and Chevy Colorado have recently undergone more comprehensive updates. For some, the changes appear cosmetic and fail to match the bold moves made by rivals, suggesting Nissan may be missing an opportunity to strengthen its momentum. Functional enhancements. Nissan has also announced what it calls functional enhancements, though here too, debate is swirling about just how meaningful these improvements really are. The update includes additional drive modes designed to tailor the throttle and transmission response to different terrains, some added interior amenities, and a newly packaged all-weather feature set. These convenience upgrades introduce more USB ports, a more capable wireless charging pad, increased connectivity, and heated seats and steering wheel bundled into the all-weather package. While Nissan touts these as significant steps forward, many longtime observers note that most rivals have provided similar or superior features for years. The Toyota Tacoma has offered advanced terrain management for several generations, and comprehensive all-weather packages are already firmly established in the Ford Ranger and Chevy Colorado lineups. Critics argue that these enhancements feel more like Nissan playing catch-up and fail to tackle core customer concerns, such as the need for more rear seat legroom or substantial infotainment upgrades. The perception, for many, is that Nissan is labeling incremental changes as major improvements, creating a gap between marketing claims and actual user experience. Pro 4 XR by Roush Performance. Next, attention turns to Nissan's collaboration with Roush Performance for the Pro 4 XR trim. Nissan and Roush joined forces to kit the truck out with off-road hardware aimed at serious enthusiasts. The Pro 4 XR gets a suspension rework with custom-tuned shocks to improve trail ride and articulation, enhanced skid plates for underbody protection, and improved approach and departure angles. Roush has also upgraded the tires to all-terrain models and added distinct external styling elements. The controversy, however, lies in what Roush did not touch: the engine. The 2026 Pro 4 XR retains the 3.8-liter naturally aspirated V6, producing 310 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque, identical to the outgoing model. Disappointment is widespread among performance fans who, seeing the Roush badge, expect major engine tunings, possibly via supercharging, to deliver a thrilling boost in power. Rivals such as the Ford Ranger Raptor and the Chevy Colorado ZR2 now offer substantially higher power and torque, heightening the sentiment that this Nissan-Roush collaboration is a missed opportunity. For many, equipping a Roush-branded truck with just suspension and visual upgrades, while leaving the powertrain unaltered, feels inadequate, especially as turbocharged and high-performance variants are gaining ground elsewhere. Pricing. The most significant source of controversy, however, is the new pricing structure for the 2026 Frontier. The base S King Cab 4x2 now starts at $32,150, while the best-selling SV Crew Cab 4x2 sees its price increase from $35,790 to $36,190, with the 4x4 variant climbing from $39,990 to $39,490. Additionally, the required destination charge has increased by $185 to $1,695, pushing total base price hikes for many trims between $285 and $585. This marks a noticeable shift from Nissan's long-standing strategy of delivering robust capability at a lower cost than the competition. Historically, the Frontier has been the go-to choice for value-seeking buyers, consistently undercutting the Tacoma, Colorado, and Ranger. With rising costs and only modest improvements, the Frontier risks eroding the value that once differentiated it. Critics point out that if the Frontier's pricing edges closer to its rivals, particularly the recently overhauled Tacoma, Nissan must deliver more for the money to remain competitive. Without a significant advantage in features or pricing, the Frontier's ability to attract new customers and keep conquest buyers may diminish. For those considering a mid-size pickup, weighing the Frontier's proven strengths against its incremental changes is essential. The decision now hinges on whether traditional reliability outweighs a rapidly moving market's appetite for bold innovation and value. If you're considering your next truck purchase and want to compare the very latest in style, technology, and overall capability, check out our video covering the 2026 Ford Super Duty for a deeper look at a model that is winning attention in the segment. Let us know in the comments how you feel about Nissan's updates, and don't forget to subscribe for comprehensive coverage and honest assessments of all the newest trucks on the market.